वेलकम बैक टू ईटिंग आउट। माय नेम इज गौरव। नाम तो सुना होगा। अब मेरे पीछे देखकर आप ये तो समझ गए होंगे कि मैं किसी होटल या रेस्टोरेंट में नहीं हूँ, बट दिस इज दैट प्लेस विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल होटल्स एंड रेस्टोरेंट्स। दिस इज वेयर दे कम फॉर देयर शॉपिंग। दिस इज द होटल शो 2010। अब शॉपिंग सुन के आप सोच रहे होंगे कि अरे हमारा भी तो मौका है शॉपिंग करने का। बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारी चीजें जीत रहे हैं इन आवर 100th एपिसोड सेलिब्रेशंस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव टू से थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर फैंटास्टिक पार्टिसिपेशन ऑन आवर फेसबुक ग्रुप ईटिंग आउट। बहुत सारे लोग वहां पर बहुत पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं और आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे लोग जीत भी रहे हैं। आज भी आपके पास जीतने का मौका है। वी गॉट 1 नाइट स्टेज टू गिव अवे एट द ले मेरिडियन अल आका बीच रिजॉर्ट। ये जीतने के लिए आपको क्या करना है ये मैं आपको थोड़ी देर बाद बताता हूँ। फिलहाल एक बार मेरा फेवरेट रिजॉर्ट देख तो लीजिए। You and a friend of yours can enjoy this stay at the Le Méridien Al Aqaba Beach Resort and खुशी की बात यह है कि हमने इसमें आपके ब्रेकफास्ट और डिनर का भी इंतजाम कर दिया है। अरे यार हम ईटिंग आउट वाले हैं, अगर हम आपको नहीं खिलाएंगे तो कौन खिलाएगा। तो तैयार हो जाइए अपने दोस्त के साथ ले मेरिडियन अल आका बीच रिजॉर्ट में रहने के लिए। और इसके लिए आपको एक सिंपल से सवाल का जवाब देना होगा। जवाब हमेशा की तरह हमारे फेसबुक ग्रुप पे। सवाल ये है कि इन विच एमिरेट इज द ले मेरिडियन अल आका बीच रिजॉर्ट। राइट आंसर जल्दी से पोस्ट कीजिए और हो सकता है कि आप वहां पर एक बढ़िया वीकेंड स्टे एंजॉय कर रहे हो। अब एक काम करते हैं भाई, थोड़ा धंधे की बात करें, चलें होटल शो देखें।
Whenever we go into a restaurant to eat or check into a hotel, we don't realize the different kind of people or different services that go into making our visit an enjoyable one.
Okay, so let's say you're sitting at home and you decide I'm going to go to holiday in Bali. Okay? There's a lot behind that process. There's obviously the booking agents, the airlines and everybody else. But actually it's the guest service once you get there. So your check-in team, your front office manager will manage the team that actually looks after the guests. You're checking into the hotel. You've got your housekeepers making sure that the room is absolutely tip-top. You've got your chefs who are going to deliver a meal that you'll never forget in your life. You know, it's all about the experience.
But that's not all we saw in this hotel show. Amongst the obvious services, we also saw plate decoration, furnishing, security, hardcore kitchen equipment. So what is this hotel show all about?
The hotel show is representative of the hospitality sector. We have everything from kitchen equipment to finishing products and interiors. We'll have solutions. We have some food in the show, some security and technology. And generically, it's a place for the industry to meet once a year.
So how do participants gain by attending this show?
Well, from our point of view, we want to get the message out there about the simulator. We want people to see the technology themselves, to play it right here at the show. And obviously we want to get to the target audience that we want to see. You know, guys that are involved either supplying into the hotel market or who are running hotels themselves. So for us, it's a perfect show to come to.
With so much of hustle bustle at the hotel show, I was wondering how is the hotel industry coping up with the world recession?
I think the hotel industry has gone through a bit of a change. I think people have become a lot more efficient in terms of what they're offering their guests. People are much more focused on guest service. So I think Dubai and the Middle East generally, across this region, have become a lot more efficient in terms of what they're offering. Energy efficiency is going to come into the market by 2012, so people are looking for solutions, and part of those solutions is security and technology. Part of it is kitchen equipment, part of it's furniture. There's a lot wrapped up into that.
Efficiency and innovation are the key to success, and we found a stand that combines both these parameters.
This is the Full Swing Golf Simulator. It's the world's leading indoor golf system. There's about 5,500 of these units sold worldwide and distributed in over 88 countries around the world. It's the only simulator that picks up the golf ball only while it's in flight. So we have two infrared systems that are picking up the ball spin, launch angle, direction, ball speed, and then putting that information into the library of 65 golf courses, famous courses from around the world. You can play 18 holes, nearest the pin, longest drive. You can now even play online as well. All the systems link up to each other. There's even an indoor golf tour that runs every 6 months. You can get a handicap, play in the tour every week, and see yourself on a global leaderboard. So it's very, very addictive.
Now, like you know, हमारी तो आदत है अनडिस्कवर्ड चीज़ें ढूंढने की, तो आज भी हम एक ऐसी अनडिस्कवर्ड चीज़ ढूंढ के लाएं. This time it's not a restaurant, but this is a mobile application which I think is a must for your mobile phone. It's called City My Way. चलिए इसके बारे में ज़रा और पता लगाते हैं.
City My Way is an innovative mobile application, and it's also a Facebook application which is distributed free of cost to all end consumers. As of today, the objective of the application is to provide all the best offers in town on your handset. Now, there's so many times that we see a really good offer on a magazine, but when we really want to go out, we can't find that offer because we don't have that magazine with us, or we want to go for a movie and don't know and we're not carrying E+. Whereas City My Way provides all that information at your fingertips. All you have to do is go to m.citymyway.com and download the mobile application for free. It works on all kinds of mobile phones: BlackBerry, Symbian, Windows, Nokia, Google Android, and so on. We have a dedicated dining and a nightlife section. Now, for example, if you're going out with your friends and you have a birthday party to go out to, and you've got 10 people that you need to entertain, we always have this problem whereby we want to restrict them to a certain budget, but we don't know where to take them and restrict them to that budget. So if you go into dining, it gives you all you can eat and drink offers in town, which you can avail. We also have exclusive offers to City My Way, whereby when you show the mobile phone, it works as a discount card, and participating outlets would offer you that discount.
So why will something like this be successful?
Unlike other mediums, whereby they only publish information regarding outlets which are advertising with them, we cover all good offers. Now, obviously, we have to give prime location to our advertisers or people who are supporting the application. So they're all on the first page with a dedicated page following within it. Whereas all the other offers that are there in town, which also get featured on Eating Out, are also available on the second page. Although not so extensively, but all offers in town are covered. So whether it be, all-you-can-eat buffets or all-you-can-eat mussels or set menus at 49 dirhams, we have it all.
Yeah, baby, City My Way.